Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are done with this look and I want you to tell me what you think about this look. Your opinion matters. Like, I'm really digging it. The highlight is popping, my lips are sexy. I did the blue liner, which is nice, and also I use like more earth tones, and I'm just feeling those type of looks, for the past couple of months. But guys, I want you guys to stay tuned and watch this video. Tell me what you think about this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys will like it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and tell a friend. Watch Chrissy work.
So guys, you're now watching my wife watch Chrissy work doing her makeup. I'm pretty sure you guys are into makeup and want to learn something or already in the process of learning and want to figure out something else. However, I will be in the background, guys. So if I am distracting you guys, just turn my voice down. If you like what I'm saying, then you could listen and learn at the same time. So I will be talking about life. I've I have a situation that I want to share with you guys, and I believe that many of you guys will be able to relate to it if you have ever been through it, or a friend that that's going through the same thing. And many times we sit and we wonder why things don't go according to plan, and many times we sit and wonder why does our best friend or brothers or sisters are so fortunate, and sometimes we use the term lucky, and why they get to get that big break, and why they are the one that everyone is clinging to, and you're wondering what you're not doing. And you're not a bad person, you're doing everything, you're doing the hard work, you're putting in all of it. Before I continue, I must say this: not because you have those thoughts mean that you're grudgeful, or we always use the word bad mind. You're not. You're just a human. But I'm saying this, and I said all of that just to say this, guys. Sometimes things aren't just for you, and we all have a role in life, and that role in life is to just play your part, and your part might not to be as greater or as good as, but you've played a miraculous role, because that very same friend or brother of yours or sister or whoever the relative or whoever the person is, you might play so much of a major role to make that person so successful, and you wouldn't even realize it. They might have learned from you. For example, I have a theory that I create for myself, and I call it the stepping stone. And let me explain it to you guys. So let me ask each one of you guys that are now listening to this while watching this makeup by my lovely wife, how many times in life you've helped someone and you've never seen them ever in your life again? Or how many times someone has helped you throughout this video? You will have those intermissions. Let's get back to the story. So yes, how many times you've helped someone and you've never seen them back in your entire life, or someone has helped you and you've never seen them back in your entire life, and you'd want to say thank you, you'd want to tell them you appreciate the help at that time or at the moment in life. Well guys, I call this the stepping stone theory, and sometimes people are in your life just to help you, not for you to help them. Or sometimes you're in people's life or someone's life only because you have to help them. And I say this, and it might sound away, as we would say in Jamaica, but you'll have a friend or you meet someone along the way. You're trying to become the CEO of this company, or you're trying to launch your own business, and you meet somebody. Let's start with the female. You meet this guy, he likes you. You understand me? But this guy is not for you. The universe did not put this person for you. But this guy gave you the stepping stone you needed. He provided you with the resources. He provided you with the financial support. And that falls into resources. He did all of that. But after maybe you've become successful, or maybe the business launch, or it is not so much successful, the relationship with that person, diminish, it broke off, and you're saying to yourself, but this person deserves better because they did this for you. But you have to look at this. Sometimes people are in your life just for you to make better, just for you to go ahead. And you're in someone else's life just for them to be better. It's the same thing for the theory stepping stone. When I say you might be in someone else's life only because you have to motivate them, push them. You might be an obstacle in someone's life, and you becoming that obstacle in someone's life make that person a better person. You understand me? So I don't know if I'm coming across to the point where you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say, but nothing in life happens just random. I don't believe that. I believe everything is for a reason. Even if you meet someone for just 1 minute, you never seen them again. Even if you watch a movie, you might just watch that movie just so you could go start your business, just so you could go help someone that's sick. You might have a different viewpoint in life, but because of an interaction with someone, you've changed, or you're looking at that very same situation from a different angle. You understand me? So I call that the stepping stone, because at the end of the day, you and each and every one of us will meet someone that help us, and we won't be able to return that favor to that person. You might return the favor to someone else, because you're gonna say, you know what, sometime in my life I got helped, someone was there for me, so if I meet someone that needs help, I will provide that help. And you might not see that person ever again, but you are now that stepping stone for that person. And when I say stepping stone, a stepping stone doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna go straight to the top. You might just need a stepping stone just to, let me give you an example. All right, when I was supposed to enter the US, I needed a few help. If you listen to my song, you'll hear some of the stories. But I've met people along the way, and guys, those very same persons that helped me, some of them aren't the ones that I'm helping now. Some of them, they do motivate me and let me see things from a different perspective. That, listen, if you give somebody opportunity, they might get that opportunity to become a stepping stone for someone else. You understand me? I met my wife. I gave her the opportunity to make herself better. Let's say she's supposed to become the best at what she's doing. That's what destiny has for her, right? And with my help, she's now here and closer to her goal. But before even my help, she had a few other stepping stones prior. She had a few stones in front of her that she had to step on to reach to me. And the term stepping stone, I use that terminology, stepping stone, because people tend to step on things and forget it. But it is not so. It is more so the push. The more you go, you step on another step, on another one, and another one, to higher heights. Because every single one of us, we can see progress in our life. If you're in school and you're stuck at math, and your grade 7 math was 60%, and then second grade your grade 7 your math now is 80%, you're gonna see progress. It's the same thing with doing makeup. It's the same thing doing track and field, soccer, whatever it is. You're gonna see improvement, so you're gonna always be better. So you get a push, or you get a help from someone 5 years ago, and then now she met her husband where she's living with. Not because she got the help from me means that she's gonna end up with me forever. That's what we want. That's what the love we have for each other. But if universe says that's not so, then it's not gonna happen. But guess what? I did play my part, and I did my role in her life. You understand me? So guys, I just want you to understand my terminology. I hope it makes sense. I hope I bring across the point as vivid as possible, because I want you guys to can visualize what I am saying. And that is my viewpoint on life. Everyone has gotten help, everyone has a stepping stone, and everyone plays a part in each one's life. You go to school, you met friends, and those persons, they teach you something that you have a valuable lesson. You might not see those friends. How many of you guys leave primary school and you've never seen one of those friends you left in primary school? I do. I have primary school friends that I've left, and I've never seen them back since I left high school. You know, but I do have the memories of them, and I do have the memories of situation happen that occur, or and it makes me a better person, or it makes me the bad person, if one want to say bad. But the point I am making is that whatever life dishes at you, it is meant to be. It is how you deal with it, and how you approach it. So you can have the drive, you can have the determination, you can have everything towards a particular sport or a particular, whatever it is that desire you. But it is not for you. You might just be in that space to help someone else. You understand me? So yes, you spend so much money to go to college. You got a degree and everything. And the universe said you were supposed to go to college to get that degree, so you can help someone else to become a great CEO or a bad CEO. I don't know. But I still haven't figured out this theory that I am talking to you guys about fully, but I do have the concept and the understanding of how it works, and I use it in everyday life, and I hope one can relate to it, and I hope whoever listens this can say, you know what, I believe in this theory, and you know what, it makes sense. So don't ever feel discouraged because you help someone to become great. You should feel good. If they remember it and have, they're graceful and have show gratitude, then fine. But never ever feel as if someone else's success and you feel as if it is. You should have, or you could have, or why not you? Because trust me, you did something to help make that person a better person. So also my stepping stone theory also works with relationship, guys. You might be with this person for 10 years, 15, almost all your life, and they're just not the right person. Or you might be with someone, you invest like 3 years, 5 years in a relationship. Y'all do things, have assets together, and that person is just not the right person. That person teaches you something, and you've learned from that relationship. So when you do move on to the next relationship, it might just be you, the perfect person. Guys, how many of you guys in a relationship where the guy has changed totally, or you met someone and he's, you used to be a certain particular way, and you're no longer that person because of your previous relationship and the issues you guys had. Maybe it was communication, so you say, you know what, when I meet this person, I'm gonna have communication. Or maybe it is bedroom issues, or maybe it is financial issues, or maybe spending habits, but you figured out how to fix it because of the past relationship. So everything in life is a stepping stone. Anyways, guys, I hope I was able to appeal to some of you guys. I hope all of you guys had an experience or can relate. I hope that you guys comment on my wife video, tell her she's beautiful, tell her that you like it, ask her questions, whatever it is you want to know. We appreciate you. And if you like me doing stuff like this and want me to do it in other videos, I can do that. But if you don't be too rude, because I have feelings. Just let me know slightly. Say, no man, make sure do our thing. We don't want you in our background. But one thing I can't stress it enough, and this is what I recommend of each and every one of you viewers. Like this video, share it, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, so that friend can tell a next friend about Watch Chrissy Work. You understand me? Yeah.
everyone.